This is day 3 of our winter adventure, and I guess we're gonna follow it with other videos. Enjoy. Chaparral is done. I might have school tomorrow.
You're not gonna have school tomorrow. How many times do you have to
Wow.
keep talking about it?
This guy stopped. Oh, because he's coming this way. They only did it just a little bit. See, this area is not done. You know why? Because it's been cold. Right now it's 41, but that's bad news. But it's all ice, I would think. So that's Chaparral.
Like ice.
Man is done. So I might have 2 hours delay.
Don't get
It's
me.
ready to roll.
Don't look at me. Why do you do this all the time?
What?
You didn't get my permission to do this. Did you know that?
That's the most important thing.
And this is Anna's. She always gotta have one. Every time.
How much more do you got than me?
Not much.
Probably 100 times more.
What do you mean 100 times? What's
You
that
got
mean?
it every single day, sometimes twice, don't you?
Do you want me to wake you up in the morning?
Starbucks should start paying you.
Do you want me to wake you up in the mornings, get my coffee, making my coffee?
I mean, you can just push the button and make some.
Oh, it's noisy.
Say that.
No,
Please.
you missed it.
What I'm gonna be.
You woke up, I'm gonna be so messed up for the rest of the day. Boo-hoo, me child, my day.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry. You ruined my day. It don't take much sometimes to ruin your day.
It does too. I'm
You
good
get
at
up
that.
on the wrong side of the bed.
I always get up on the same side.
But sometimes I saw you get up on the other side.
No, because the baby's thing is there. Okay. This head is 311. It's clean. There is no snow on it. I guess I'm gonna have school tomorrow. Richard here and I have made a deal. He said that I won't have school. I said that I will have school, and he's gonna give me $100 if there won't be school.
Oh.
If there will be school. What do you mean no? He's eating my Gouda sandwich from Starbucks.
Gouda.
Huh?
Gouda.
Gouda.
There's no goat in it.
Huh? It says Gouda.
Gouda.
Gouda. Gouda. Gouda. Is it Gouda or Gouda?
That's good.
Gouda.
No, it's good sandwich.
Good sandwich. Anyway, there is no snow on the road.
See the little hiking sign? 0, 0. Spell 0.
We haven't gotten there,
You
honey.
ain't gonna be able to
600
get You
feet.
ain't gonna be able to get across. It's all
Jingle
piled
bell,
up.
jingle bell,
0,
jingle
0.
all the
Oh,
way.
you're lucky.
Oh, what fun it is to ride. I told you so.
If you're almost 0, then you would have been in big 0.
I told you there would be a whole lot of cars. I'm wondering if, when are we gonna stop? Right here? That's perfect. You are the best, Richard, in the West.
If anybody hits my car, they'll damage it.
This is perfect. Here's Richard Bachi.
Starting up on the
Oba, you okay?
2 o'clock afternoon, going up a snowy thing. It's not a good idea.
In any case, it's really beautiful. Look, the wind made ripple marks. This is so cool. Honey, what do you think about it? You love it? You didn't?
No,
Why?
because I forgot it, Anna. what happened? You fall in 2 feet of snow?
It's more than that, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's right. Let's try to get out. Yeah. I don't think Richie Batcher can do this.
What bothers me, you don't know what realistic goals are. That's what bothers me.
The house is not realistic for us.
Yeah, but it's also warmer and hotter. It's not in the foot of snow where you sink down 2 or 3 feet.
If it could fly, it could just fly down.
We're up 10,000 feet.
And what if we look around?
We might have to kill a deer for this. But right now, give me some beef jerky and some water.
It's in the backpack. We are failure. We didn't do it.
You know what?
What? How do you mean my own damn world?
See?
It's right here, you see? It takes this much time to get it.
She did it.
Because I'm so good.
She did real.
What? What did I do? What did I do?
Where's my sticks
They have the stickies. Do you want some orange?
I gotta put my thing back on.
Your what back on?
This.
Oh. Yeah, because if you want to pack it up, then this is not trash. It's for the animals.
Why did you?
Hey, Richard, open your mouth. I'm going to throw.
This.
Oh. Yeah, because if you want to pack it up, then this is not trash. It's for the animals.
Why did you throw it so far off the beacon trail? I'd put it right here. They won't see
Who are you
that.
filming?
The orange eater.
One more time.
How about throwing it up in the air because you can't hit nothing?
One more.
No.
Open your mouth. Where are you going? Richard, open your mouth. I can throw it that far.
Probably can't.
One more time.
I don't want to quit walking or hiking. I want to go somewhere that's more realistic.
Which is where? Where is it more realistic?
Besides going up there.
Right. What did I say? Richard, don't speak ugly.
I'm skiing.
Where are you skiing?
Yeah, I'm 2 foot of snow.
I can't see you, Richard.
Sorry, you burn more calories from doing this steps. Oh, jeez.
You okay? Are you okay, honey?
The fire trail, I said, you don't think it's 2 feet of snow on that ding dings?
So, is it more realistic, Richard?
Nothing's realistic today.
Why?
I don't know, this is on the top of the road. We'll figure out what to
We are on the way to figure out why is this road unsnowed.
It's old Catawba Road.
It's old Catawba Road. Why did they have to clean this where Chaparral is not clean? And it's all the way down. We are now Sherlock Holmes. What do you think, Richard? Why?